in the shop cutting apart cardboard for a Nightmare Before Christmas display. Can you see the vision I'm going for? We've got a rough outline here. This is the bottom. I strung in some Christmas lights, which I think might be kind of cool. I have this little like access port for the plug back here. But I was thinking I have this kind of cool plastic. It's a little see-through too, so I thought that maybe these lights would show up behind here. But I'm just gonna write, I don't know, paint on here the letters. That'll go in there. And I'm currently working on cutting apart the top. Yeah, kind of a fun little Nightmare Before Christmas craft made out of cardboard, so it's free. Nice. And Honey is offended that there's another critter in here. Hi, baby bird. Hi, pretty bird. She has like a little mohawk, so that's why I call her Hawk. Okay, so here's pretty much the build. I've got my little plastic piece in here. I'm gonna paint it. I think I'm gonna paint the whole body silver using like a silver kind of hammered spray paint. And add some more texture to it. I'm wrapping everything in tape so you can't see any of like those cardboard corrugated edges. And then I'm gonna spray paint these white. Hi, pretty bird. Using this foam dowel, and I just cut it up into little slices. I'm gonna use my Dremel tool to kind of round them out a little bit, and that's what I'm using for rivets. Added another coat of paint, and I'm just distressing with a black wash. You can see distressed, not distressed. I think it looks pretty good. And this will go right on top. Very cute. Distressed, not distressed. Okay, finishing up painting the blocks. I'm gonna do the edges of them, and I'm adding like a little bit of distressing around the sides. I've got my reference, and I'm gonna do the sides of these. I'm just waiting for it to dry. While it dries, I think I'm gonna finish the hitchhiking ghost. Oh my gosh, it's pretty big. But this is also just a piece of cardboard. I think it was like the back of a picture frame. Then I used it for stickers for a long time. And now I'm painting the hitchhiking ghosts on there. So I've got one more and the outline, and I think this is so cute. This video should just be like making decorations out of cardboard. Making everything out of cardboard. You can kind of see here the hitchhiking ghost and a honey. Hi. It's kind of an awkward little space in my entryway, kind of right when you walk in the front door. I have this like wall tapestry, and it's like the perfect little length. It kind of ends right there, so I just used like push pins to adhere my hitchhiking ghost to the wall, and I think they look so cute. I love it. Honey loves it. Adorable. And you can check the mirror right here to make sure no ghosts follow you out. So cute, right? And I have I never even finished putting up all of my Halloween decorations. They're just sitting here. But I have the Halloween countdown up here on my little wine cart for the moment. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. Look at that. So I just threw some like twinkle lights. I'm not sure if you can see down in there. Just kind of thrown in there. I think I'm gonna go back in and do a little more detail around the rivets and do like more coppers and golds and maybe greens and more texture, but we've got our blocks in here so we can change the date if we want to. There's actually only like 4 days till Halloween, so I'm about to make a sign that goes over it that says like days to Christmas. But this is how it turned out. I love it. So cute. Just have this really kind of lame. I'm thinking I'm gonna get like some pumpkin puck lighting that you can just like control with a remote or something like that. Okay, the lights look kind of sad. So yeah, definitely need a different option for the lights, but I think that's really cute. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do the very highly technical oatmeal and Mod Podge technique to give some texture to this giant cauldron. Looks gross. Random paints to, I don't know, kind of add a little dimension. Kind of went a little overboard with the texture. It's very warty. And then I gave it some gold handles. Probably tone that down with a little bronze, but I like it. Just add a light to it this year, but I think this would make a cool, like Sally's cauldron for a Nightmare Before Christmas display. Yep. I found this really old, like very old, this is like rusted and falling apart, but it's kind of like bike lock cable. So I'm gonna use this to hang up my cauldron. I think I'm gonna wrap it in, it's hard to see, black electrical tape so that I don't know, it's not bright red, but whatever. I'm gonna use that wire to hang up the cauldron on these old posts. It's an old carport. I'm just painting the posts black, and then I can hang the cauldron in here and it'll look like, hopefully, like a witch's brew, like a little witch's campfire setup. Okay, so here it is, guys, the witch's cauldron. I have it set up on this tripod, set up some like logs underneath. I'll probably do some sort of like fire, same thing that Wicked Makers did. I have it just kind of set up on these jump rings so that you can open them up and take this all apart and store it. Yeah, I like how it turns out. Hi, pretty bird. Sorry. Excuse me. I like it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and doing some last minute Halloween crafts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until I see y'all in the next one, stay creative. Okay, bye.